A very interesting set of results and a very interesting response, with bullish investors driving up the share price of Snap, but I still don't understand it. While dissecting the results of Snap, a lot of very informative and optimistic details come to light. Snap claims to be a camera company, just without any physical cameras. Rather, their focus is on the optimization of mobile phone cameras through various effects within Snapchat. Welcome to another show of The Easy Investor. Please remember to subscribe. Now the results continue to state that on average, Snapchat is used or photos taken 4 billion times a day, while their average active daily users increased by 18% year on year to 249 million. Those are some very impressive numbers, and Snap has built up quite an audience, specifically under the 13 to 24 age category, where they estimate that 80% of this age group within developed markets use Snapchat, and 90% of this age group uses Snapchat within the US. If those categories are broadened to include the ages of 13 to 34, the number of users are 60% in developed markets and 75% in the US. I believe it is important at this stage to point out that Snap and Snapchat has been around since 2011. To date, the company has not made a profit. This is, of course, if you exclude the adjustments that they have made to take them from a loss-making position to a profitable. Snap earns income through advertising, through interesting and innovative ad campaigns for companies like Adidas on their platform. Ultimately, companies will pay Snap a fee to advertise to their audience of 249 million active daily users. Now, from 2015 to 2019, the average revenue per user, or ARPU, increased from $0.59 to $8.29. During the same period, revenue increased from $59 million to $1.7 billion, a staggering growth of 2,808% over the last 4 years. It is also interesting to note that while the cost per revenue or user remained flat over the last 3 years, the ARPU increased substantially. These are all very positive numbers, and it is very optimistic for the future and potential profitability of Snap. And some would even go as far to say that Snap did make a profit during this quarter. However, upon closer examination of the numbers, Snap paid their employees in shares worth $192 million. At some point, the employees are going to require normal salaries, and not just share incentive schemes. The stock-based or share-based incentive schemes that we were talking about, you can see it on the screen right now, and the stock-based compensation expense. It has also been highlighted in red. Now what Snap did is they reversed this out of their normal expenses, and that is actually how they made a profit, and that's the adjusted EBITDA. Now, Snap also experienced a negative cash flow of $69.5 million during the period. While this is less than the negative cash flow during the same period last year, it is still not reassuring, or at least not from my view.